Welcome to 6 Strathroy in Waterdown, Ontario. Come on in. We're standing inside of the foyer here where we did a lot of work. Now we're going to take a look at this staircase. The existing staircase had a carpet runner that went down the middle of it with painted stairs and risers. Now what we did was we removed it all, sanded down the existing, and then we color matched the stain to match the new floor that we ended up installing all throughout the house. This new flooring you'll see throughout both levels, first and second floor, throughout the entire house. On this staircase here, we replaced all of the posts and then we kept the existing rail. What we did with it was all we did was sand it down and re-secure it to this new post. This is a lot more modern looking than what we had before. And then all of the spindles we replaced with these really nice wrought iron adjustable spindles all the way up. I want to highlight the flooring that we put down here on the main foyer. So we replaced the floor with some really nice 24 by 24 tiles that have a great transition on both those entrances right against the hardwood. Now let's move into the kitchen. Now in the kitchen here, we ended up doing a full remodel. We changed trim, doors, floor. We did a full custom kitchen. We also even opened up some of the walls, which you'll see highlighted right here. So this door opening that we have that leads from the kitchen into the living space, this used to be much more narrow and had a drop above. We didn't really like the way that fit because we had an island that we were putting right here. So we raised that beam, put in a new one that was flush mounted so that way we could hide that. And we could have the ceilings be flat from one room to the other. And then we widened this space so that way we have a really nice flow all the way around this island. Now look behind me. This kitchen looks phenomenal. I'm going to show you right here what the existing kitchen looked like. And you can see what a difference this has made. The old kitchen had an island that came out right here that really blocked off the space from one room to the other. On top of that, if you notice on our existing conditions right here, this corner had a window on either side of the wall. Now the homeowner wanted to have more cabinet space and reduce the light that came in here because we put these really nice pot lights in. So we actually removed both of those windows, bricked it in on the outside, which we'll take a look at, and installed a brand new window in a totally different location. Now just highlighting on this window, we want to look at the color match quartz sill that we installed on the bottom side of it, just in case any water of any nature gets in that area. This matches the rest of the stone throughout. We went with a 2 centimeter profile here, so that way it matches traditional thickness of trim. And then we went with a 3 centimeter all throughout the kitchen. Let's take a really close look at the grain on this slab. At the end of the island and at the side, we actually allowed for enough room to have extra seating. This makes it really easy for a homeowner to entertain any evening or weekend. Hey, I forgot about the brick. Come on outside. So now that we're standing outside, we're gonna highlight the craftsmanship that was done on the outside of this house. So right here was one of the windows that used to be existing, and then we had one on the other side back here. Now we moved this location to the left and we had this all re-bricked in to match. It's a seamless look. We work with the best tradesmen, especially our brick masons. This is a really hard thing to achieve and we're really proud with the people that we work with. I appreciate you walking through our renovation. Until next time, take care.